This is our Atlatl. These are darts that's just a little under 6 foot long. They're approximately 5 foot 10 inches. They are made out of oak. Each dart is spined to where any dart you get throws exactly the same as any other dart that we produce. And it also throws the same whether it's got the field point on it or the broadhead. And that way they can be used for hunting just by changing the dart. This is a 3-blade glue-on broadhead, 125 grain. This is 125 grain field point. And the way these get their, now these are not perfectly straight. We try to avoid perfectly straight. There's 2 ways to do it. One is to get them as straight as possible and put a slight twist in the fletch, a helical. And the other way is to keep your fletch straight and take advantage of the warping of these as they go through the air. I prefer using the warping because on the warping, when they hit, they'll have a slight bend as they straighten. It's like hitting something with a dead blow hammer. It gets much more solid effect on it than it does by like a hammer where it will bounce. So this will give you more energy into your target, and so I can get as much penetration with this one as what somebody else would get throwing 10 or 15% harder with the straight. And so these will warp. When I throw this, you will see a warp in it. So if you purchase one of these and you notice it is not perfectly straight, actually, if you can see this, you'll see there's a fair amount of bend, but they throw very, very well. I'm going to throw each one of these once and let you all see how they throw. So. Okay, this time we're going to use the broadhead instead of the field point. So, if you look, I got another 10. They do throw exactly alike. As you can see from the 2 throws that are on this video, whether it is broadhead or the field tip, they throw exactly alike. And to change, for instance, if you have a dart with field tip and you want to go hunting, these are glued on with 5-minute epoxy. You just heat that, pull it off, put new 5-minute epoxy on there, put your broadhead on. When you're done hunting, you can do the same procedure back to the field tip. One dart can serve both purposes for a very, very long time. So we can contact us by our phone number, which is listed on our web page, Caution Trading Post, at angelfire.com, or you can also email us at cautiontrader@hotmail.com, or our Facebook page, or Facebook, just look us up on Caution Trading Post. Thank you.